Hello everybody, welcome back to the e-bike news. My name's Curtis Pike. I'm with theelectricbike.com, and today we're talking about Panasonic. That's right guys, we're not talking about the old Panasonic that made TVs, phones, microwaves, and toasters. Nope, we're talking about Panasonic e-bikes. They're in the news today because their e-bike system is the first in North America to receive the new e-bike safety certification UL2849. It's brand new. It's by Underwriters Laboratory, aka UL. And if you know anything about UL, they've been around for 125 years and they're a very respected certification system. So anyways, guys, I'm not going to go too much more into details. There's a video here by Panasonic USA that talks about it, how they came up with the idea, how they worked with UL to create it, and I'm going to include this at the end of it. Let us know if you think certification is a good idea, particularly with respect to some of the issues you've seen lately, like city bikes, e-bikes having braking problems, and Lyft, for example, had some of their batteries catch on fire. So let us know what you think. Enjoy the video. I'll be back soon with a lot more stuff. Stay tuned.
We're in the UL eMobility Battery Lab in Northbrook, Illinois, and we're here to test Panasonic's e-bike system.
Up until now, there hasn't been a unified standard for e-bikes for North America. So we partnered with UL to create a standard. Now it's our job to make sure that our own system meets up to that standard.
In this business of testing and evaluating and certifying, it's basically taking a product design and putting it in front of those that were not involved with designing the product.
We always have a high confidence in our engineering that we're going to meet the standard.
After all the testing, after all the construction reviews are done, UL will enable Panasonic to put the UL logo on its e-bike systems.
E-bikes are a little bit different because the consumer goods like an e-bike really undergo more testing along the lines of automotive. So it's really starting to blend two of our core competencies, one being automotive and one being consumer goods.
In the construction requirements, it's all about making sure that the design has been made with safety in mind.
So we're testing our battery management system, we're testing our motors, we're testing the whole electrical system for electrical safety performance.
We've broken down components, we've put them under stress. We do various things from temperature and life testing, aging them in environmental chambers, and making sure that they're just going to live up to the standard that we've created as a company and as a brand.
I've gone through what the guys are doing downstairs, which is preparing the data sheets, writing a UL report, getting it over to the lab, working with the lab, make sure things get tested, and then make sure that the product then finishes its certification process.
Panasonic will be the first e-bike manufacturer to have certification to the new standard. It enables us to get into retailers that were unfounded before. It enables us to talk to customers and big box retailers that are looking for certification as a requirement.